They tell you that protecting your family requires spending thousands of dollars on hardware approved by politicians who have their own armed security. But here's what they are absolutely terrified you will actually find out. You do not need to empty your bank account to get your hands on serious, reliable firepower. There are incredibly capable rifles sitting on store shelves right now that completely bypass the strict laws, heavy taxes, and import bans that lawmakers use to keep you disarmed. We are breaking down the absolute best budget-friendly powerhouses that disrupt the traditional market and make the rule makers sweat. Let us get into the hardware they hope you ignore. Number 10. Hi-Point 1095 TS Carbine. This ugly duckling gets laughed out of the room by gear snobs, but it secretly holds enough power to stop a charging bear. Chambered in the massive 10mm auto cartridge, which was originally designed for the FBI, it puts down ballistics very similar to a heavy .41 Magnum revolver. Now, the big problem here is that lawmakers hate this kind of affordable power. Historically, they pass Saturday night special and melting point laws that specifically target ultra-cheap firearms like this one under the disguise of keeping the public safe. But all those rules really do is disproportionately disarm lower-income folks who can't afford flashy premium setups. So when you grab this beast for $300 to $350, you are giving a working-class individual access to massive, reliable home defense power. It completely wrecks the elitist laws that try to price everyday citizens right out of the self-defense market. Number 9. Rossi R92. You might look at this classic lever action and think it belongs to an old Western movie, not a modern tactical lineup. But it is actually the ultimate loophole gun driving politicians absolutely crazy. Firing massive .44 Magnum or .357 Magnum cartridges through a 16-inch barrel pushes these rounds to their absolute maximum velocity. That crazy speed creates devastating hollow point expansion and insane stopping power at distances under 150 yards. Here is where the government gets played in its own game. Because it operates with a manual lever action instead of firing semi-automatically, it entirely bypasses those super strict assault weapon bans in restrictive places like California, New York, or Illinois. It gives citizens clear access to incredible heavy firepower in zones where modern tactical rifles are completely outlawed. You can usually find it for $600 to $700, making it one of the most affordable pistol caliber lever guns on the shelf. Number 8. Savage Axis 2 XP. The guys writing the laws focus all their panic on black, tactical-looking hardware, but they completely ignore the sheer, crushing power of a traditional bolt action. Available in heavy-hitting hunting calibers like the .30-06 Springfield, it packs the raw kinetic energy required to take down the absolute largest terrestrial predators in North America. This quietly subverts the loud narrative of gun control advocates. It shines a massive spotlight on the hypocrisy of U.S. gun legislation by proving that classic wood and steel or even basic polymer hunting rifles are vastly more powerful per shot than the AR-15s they endlessly try to ban. This beauty fixed everything wrong with its original version in one single generation. They added a simple detachable box magazine and a smoother bolt throw, creating a bolt gun that punches 5 times its price in real performance. The famous AccuTrigger adjusts from 2.5 to 6 pounds without you ever visiting a gunsmith. That is a custom level feature that usually grabs $100 to $200 extra on competing rifles. And the best part? You can easily grab one of these for under $450, often with a mounted scope already included. Number 7. Ruger American Rifle Generation 2. This absolute laser beam isn't necessarily angering the government. It's making the traditional firearms industry furious. Back in the day, if you wanted extreme long-range precision, you had to pay thousands of dollars for custom machining work. But this beauty democratized sniper-level accuracy for the everyday shooter. It proves once and for all that you do not need a massive bank account to possess extreme lethality at a serious distance. Available in heavy hitters like .308 Winchester or .6.5 Creedmoor, it is fully capable of sub-MOA precision right out of the box, allowing any competent shooter to repeatedly hit man-sized targets at an incredible 1,000 yards using the right optics and ammunition. It carries a documented sub-MOA accuracy guarantee, meaning it consistently shoots groups smaller than 1 inch at 100 yards. The adjustable trigger easily goes from 3 to 5 pounds with absolutely no tools needed. Usually priced around $500 to $600, it breaks every rule of the expensive long-range game. If you are tired of being told you can't afford top-tier safety, hit that subscribe button to All About Survival. Number 6. Kel-Tec RDB. You have probably noticed that the alphabet agencies have a huge obsession with how long a barrel legally needs to be. But this clever design found a way to completely break the system. By shifting the entire action behind the trigger, it perfectly maintains the full ballistic velocity of a 5.56 NATO round by using a standard 16-inch barrel. Because it is a bullpup, it fully exploits overall length regulations to remain incredibly short and easily concealable inside a standard backpack or behind a vehicle seat. Yes, it completely avoids all National Firearms Act regulations regarding short-barreled rifles, simply because the barrel itself is legally long enough. Coming in around $800 to $900, it is drastically cheaper than premium bullpups like the IWI Taver or Steyr AUG that usually dominate the market. Number 5. Century Arms Wasser 10. Built overseas in the legendary Kujir factory in Romania, this cold hammer forged workhorse was designed from the ground up for decades of absolute abuse and neglect, while still reliably firing that heavy 7.62mm round. But being an imported piece of hardware makes it a highly political target. It exists entirely at the mercy of the ATF's Section 922R compliance rules and super strict import restrictions. It is constantly living under the dark threat of being permanently cut off from American soil by nothing more than a simple stroke of a pen from the executive branch. Though the cost has steadily risen over the years, it still remains one of the absolute cheapest military factory-built rifles currently available to civilians. Grab one of these reliable fighters before the rules change again. Number 4. Aero Precision M5. Sometimes, the smartest way to beat the system is to build it yourself from scratch. Chambered in heavy rounds like .308 Winchester or 6.5 Creedmoor, this true battle rifle delivers more than double the kinetic energy of a standard 5.56 NATO round. That crazy power means you can easily drop large game or punch through heavy cover at distances well over 800 yards. The massive problem for lawmakers here is a loophole in the buying process. Purchasing receiver sets piecemeal allows you to completely bypass the 11% federal Pittman-Robertson excise tax that gets slapped onto the complete firearm. It also allows you to quietly construct massive, long-range firepower completely under the radar of bulk purchase scrutiny. You can spread the cost out over time, usually finishing a build for a sub-$1,000 price tag that performs identically to a rifle costing $2.5 grand. Number 3. Palmetto State Armory PSAC 47 GFS. The heavy 7.62 by 39mm cartridge has always been famous for its terrifying, barrier-blind performance. It easily punches right through heavy brush, thick drywall, and even auto glass without losing any of its brutal kinetic energy. Historically, the U.S. executive branch has constantly weaponized import bans against countries like Russia and China to severely limit the supply of cheap AK-47s, hiding behind a very vague sporting purposes clause. But here is the massive problem for those bans. By manufacturing high-quality, forged trunnion AKs entirely within the United States, they completely bypass these federal import chokeholds. Retailing around $600 to $800, this beast massively undercuts the currently hyperinflated market for imported AKs. Number 2. Smith & Wesson M&P 15 Sport 3. Politicians absolutely love to go on television and argue that civilians simply do not need modern sporting rifles with fancy free-floated M-LOK handguards and high-capacity capability. But this legendary 5.56 NATO platform brings reliable, military-style gas impingement operation straight to the civilian market at an incredible price point. The Gen 3 upgrade slapped on a free-floated barrel, which drastically increases your long-range accuracy by preventing any hand pressure from shifting the point of impact. Usually hovering around the $700 to $800 mark, it easily delivers premium features from a legacy brand at an entry-level cost. By putting these high-end features on a mass-market, budget-friendly gun, they are single-handedly normalizing tactical capabilities for the average citizen, totally destroying the entire argument of what people actually need. Number 1. Palmetto State Armory PSA PA-15. Here is the absolute king of making lawmakers pull their hair out. Chambered in standard 5.56 NATO, It offers very low recoil mixed with huge velocity, making it devastatingly effective for home defense and practical everyday shooting. The explicit goal of the company is to manufacture and pump out so many of these exact rifles that they become completely impossible for the government to ever ban under established common-use legal precedents. It is the ultimate insurance policy for your rights. Because it is universally the most affordable and ubiquitous AR-15 on the entire market, usually found for well under $500, it is the exact type of rifle specifically targeted by proposed assault weapons bans and standard capacity magazine restrictions across the country. It made a genuinely reliable AR-15, affordable enough for nearly any serious buyer. When supply chains tighten up, the commonality of ammunition and parts matters way more than any premium, shiny feature. No other rifle at this price puts that much ammunition, that many magazines, and that much part support right behind a single purchase. It is cheap, it is everywhere, and they absolutely hate that you can just walk in and buy it. The entire system is designed to make you think that true safety is out of your reach. But these tools prove that power and reliability are still sitting right there on the shelf waiting for you. Subscribe to All About Survival so you never miss a breakdown like this.